Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us check out the Defunc True Gaming Earphones. Now these are truly wireless earphones which offer low latency, has 360 degrees surround sound, dual microphones and offers 48 hours of playback time. Now, turning the box to the side, it's written truly improve your wireless life, and here it's written Defunc True Gaming. The rear side of the box shows some features of the True Gaming earphones such as passive noise cancellation, dual microphones, Bluetooth version 5.0 and 48-hour charge case included. Now unboxing the True Gaming earphones, we get a card which states "Hey you, hope you like our stuff," and then an offering 20% off on your next purchase on defunc.com. Unboxing the box, we get the USB Type-C cable, some ear tips of different sizes, and here is the Defunc True Gaming wireless case. So to the back we have some of the features and the power input given. To the side we have the USB Type-C port for charging. Then to the front we have the LED lighting for the charging case. Now opening up the charging case, you can see the LED light blinks, and here we have the earphones inside the charging case. Opening up the charging case, the earphones now are in pairing mode, so you can just take out your smartphone, turn on the Bluetooth and pair these earphones. Taking a closer look at the earphones, you can see that we have the Defunc branding and we have a circular ring which blinks in blue color. Turning the earphones to the other side, here we have the charging pins. Now turning the Bluetooth on the smartphone, you can see here we have the Defunc True Gaming. Now it's paired to a smartphone. These earphones fit very well in your ears. Now coming to the sound quality, the lows are pretty good, which means you get good bass, and also the volume levels are very loud. Guys, that was a quick unboxing and overview of the Defunc True Wireless Earphones. We will be coming up with a full article review. Link to the same will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.